الحصول على معلومات باللغة العربية اضغط 2.
For information in English, please press 3. For our fax number and address, please press the asterisk key. To continue, press 1. A list of our services will follow. For details on any one of the services, please press the number requested. You may press the requested key at any time. There is no need to wait for the end of the list. For information on your bank account, please press 1 or hold. If you do not hold a Postal Bank account, please press 2. Please enter the service code. At the end, please press the asterisk key. If you do not hold a service code, please press 9 followed by the star sign. Incorrect service code. Please enter the service code. At the end, please press the asterisk key. If you do not hold a service code, please press 9 followed by the star sign.
למידע על פתיחת חשבון או ביצוע שינוי בפרטי החשבון, נא להקיש 1. להעברות כספים, נא להקיש 2. למידע על שירותי בנקאות ביתית באינטרנט, נא להקיש 3. למידע כללי על החשבון, נא להקיש 4. למידע על כרטיסי חיוב, נא להקיש 5.
תודה שהתקשרתם לדואר ישראל. מיד יתכנסו לסרטי הדואר.
Little. What do you need?
I receive a message that my isracard will be blocked if I transfer the money.
Again, you get a message about?
I got a message about the isracard.
If you transfer money from change,
For remittances.
You did it?
If I transferred from for example, in NEMA, my card will be blocked.
Yes.
Okay. Can I use this card in, for example, buy grocery, online shopping here in Israel? It will be
You
blocked?
can show... No. If you... איך אני אסביר לך את זה? The change, okay, is only for העברות transferred to חו"ל, לחו"ל. You can do it by the card.
How about the rewire? Can I do it to transfer using the card in rewire?
From your account, yes, but not from the card.
Okay. What is the only uses of this card?
You can buy from everywhere.
Can I buy in, for example, in Wish?
Take money.
Can I use this card on Wish, Alibaba?
Yes, you can.
AliExpress?
Yes.
But it's not Israeli place. It's international.
Yes, you can buy from the internet if they take this card. It's not a problem.
Okay.
Okay?
That's
But the change is only העברות לחו"ל.
for transferring the money in the remittances. Okay.
בדיוק.
Okay. תודה.
בבקשה, יום טוב.
Okay.
ביי.